even though the bike wash girls were still bundled up in a sweat.
Just like, well, that's right.
Hi guys, bike wash girls had a couple bikes. Oh, yeah, guys. Hi guys are doing something over there. Oh. Shop supplies, probably gone about 25, 30 minutes. Maybe the fourth that I've ever actually seen in real life. That overwhelming rush feeling, but yet there's no brakes either. It's all wet. Now our lifts are really slick again, but I was showed up yet. But that'll be a much smaller box, not truckload, palletized. Hopefully, goes up from here.
Sturgis, wherever he goes, Adam.
Stay kind of steady, but like one bike at a time. Here, but just barely. I mean, basically, it's not raining. Figures. I was able to take my hoodie off. It's not as cold and like bitter anymore.
Welcome to Sturgis or something.
Hi, welcome to Sturgis Rally.
Walt Moss Trucking. Check that out, guys. They build all kinds. The parking lot. I just thought it was cool. Well, I happened to see the guy out here. Just this stuff is so slippery. I've almost fallen down a couple times myself. It's like Mike's got one more bike on the lift over there that he's finishing up, but almost everybody else. At the end of the day, we looked at the numbers. We didn't make our numbers. We were still down.